Hello, my friends. Today I am finally getting to my closet. It is a huge mess, but I will tell you that I am very fortunate to have such a large closet. The only thing is I really need to go through, declutter, figure out what I have, what I don't have. And I'm also changing the hangers so that it's less bulky. Things won't fall off the hangers and end up in the bottom. And my closet has become more of an aggravation to me than a help. So the first thing I'm going to do is start taking out everything, and whatever I don't want, that I know I don't want, meaning it's really, really old or it does not fit. It's either too big or too small. It's going to go. If I ever lose enough weight to where I can wear new clothes, Gabriel's here I come. So coming across clothes is not a situation for me. But I am definitely going through all of my clothes, and what I'm doing is I'm laying it in the guest room so it's out of the way. In this video, I'm only going to be cleaning out the closet. In another video, you will see, the finished product of the closet. The closet is a very old space, and it is very, very hard to get in there and to film. It's also a very dark space, which is something that I want to take care of. Now, in doing this closet, I will tell you that it is not about perfection. There are a lot of imperfections in my home because it is an older house. Now, all the upstairs, which I'm in the upstairs, is plaster, and it crumbles over time. You get a lot of sort of like structural imperfections in the walls because the house settles. It also does it because the weather causes it, because we have kind of extreme weather here. So we have like really hot and then really cold. The house, though, is in pretty good condition considering how old it is. All I want to do is to give my closet a good clean and a good clean slate. So that'll just be cleaning and just giving it a fresh coat of paint and hopefully finding a remedy for the situation with the lighting. Now, very quickly, I'm just kind of showing you the inside of the closet, kind of an overview. There are some damage, or is some damage on the walls. You can also see where there used to be another rod in there. I'm not really sure at this point if I'm even going to bother with fixing any of that. Like I said, this is just to clean and to paint. Now here I am scrubbing out the closet, and because I'm so short, I'm using a Swiffer for around the top. So if there's any kind of cobwebs or any kind of debris, I can just simply get that all taken care of. The cleaner that I'm using, and I'm not necessarily spraying it directly on any places in the closet, on the walls, because it is plaster. I am just dampening the cloth on the Swiffer and running it across. And I do spray the baseboards real good, which you'll probably see. Here we go. I'm sorry about the movement, but I'm just quickly showing you how dirty this closet actually was. Now I'm going to show you all the dirt that came out of my closet. I'm kind of ashamed that my good clothes have been hanging in there with such filth. Now that I got my closet completely wiped out, I am showing you where I am housing all of my clothes. Yes, my guest room still has the Christmas bedding on it, but that will be changed very, very soon. That is my pile of skirts. That is my jackets, blouses, and dresses, and there are my shoes. And then we got one big bag of donations, which was wonderful, to purge. And I'm showing you one more time the look of the closet. I hope you guys enjoy coming along with me on my first part one of some changes in my house, just cleaning, just decluttering, and just starting anew. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of Heidi's home. You have a wonderful day.